Well, we just arrived. We're in Las Vegas, Nevada, and we're at the Golden Nugget. We're on the 22nd floor of the Carson Tower. And as you can see, when you walk in right here, you got a nice full-size closet, mirror, you got an in-room safe. Over here, you have a nice little table. You got a mirror for getting ready to go out at night. Right here, you got a nice, small, standard little washroom. And over here, you have a nice queen-size bed with 2 night tables and 2 lamps. Got your TV, you got a dresser there too, and a little sitting area with an ice bucket and a couple of waters, and an amazing view over Las Vegas. So yeah, we're gonna enjoy our 3 nights here at the Junior Suite at the Carson Tower on the 22nd floor. As you leave the Carson Tower, Central Store and Chick-fil-A restaurant. You have the activities and events counter to the right, where you will get information on what's going on in Las Vegas, passing a Starbucks and some slot machines. Notice staff hard at work, and the Gnado restaurant. We have the hotel shop, pizza to go, and stairs leading up to conference and other event rooms. The Cadillac Mexican Kitchen and Tequila Bar, as well as the Claim Jumper restaurant, are near the pool area. At the pool, you can have a fun-filled day lounging in the many loungers that are available as you watch the aquatic life in the tank, or take a slide down the water slide through the shark tank. You could also relax in the hot tub. If you want a quieter time, you can head to the Hideout at H2O Pool and Bar and adults only section upstairs. They also rent private cabanas. There is a snack bar and poolside table gambling available. Here we have the ice bar, which is across from the main lobby. In the main lobby, you can buy tickets to shows and events at the box office, the registration desk, check-in and out kiosks, and front entrance are all here. There's also the chocolate box store located here that has delectable treats available to purchase. Vic and Anthony's Steakhouse is another restaurant located at this end of the hotel. If you want to tie the knot while in Vegas, they even have a chapel available. There's another store to buy essentials. Here we have the casino for all your gambling needs. They have lots of slot machines and table games. I'm not going to show you everything for people's privacy, but it's all here for your enjoyment, entertainment, and good luck. At the Sawgrass Steakhouse, we had dinner. The chicken sandwiches and fries were delicious, and the service was great. We recommend you try it. Pizza Rock was nearby, and the staff was friendly and helpful. The service was fast and great. We ate at the A.Y.C.E buffet at the Palms Resort. This buffet has a lot of choices to choose from: pasta, chicken, turkey, seafood, vegetables, pizza, pork, salads, fruits, soups, and they even had crab legs. There was a variety of ice creams and desserts as well. Overall, the food at the buffet was amazing, and you will not come out hungry. If you like desserts, you may even have one too many. A hidden gem off of Fremont Street is Magnolia's, which serves a tasty breakfast. We took a tour of the Mob Museum. Instead of just the general admission option, we chose to add the distillery exhibit, which is one of the interactive experiences they have. No trip to Vegas is complete without visiting downtown Fremont Street. This is the old Vegas in all its neon glory, with a canopy of light show. Fremont is more than just a light show. It is a sensory overload with live music, street performers, bars, and casinos. There's something for everyone. You can dance and party the night away.